Okay, what if I told you that the biggest star at FIFA World Cup isn't Messi, isn't Mbappé, and it's not even human? You'd be surprised. Today, artificial intelligence, tiny sensors, high-speed cameras, and millions of real-time calculations help officials make decisions in a way that were impossible just a few years ago. Some of this technology is so advanced, it can determine the exact moment a pass is played before you even realize it happened. And hidden inside the match ball is a tiny sensor transmitting data hundreds of times every second. By the end of this video, you will never watch the football the same way again. So let's go behind the scenes. Chapter 1. The ball isn't just a ball. Look at this football. It looks ordinary, right? Wrong. Hidden inside the official FIFA match ball is something called an inertia measurement unit, or IMU. Think of it as the ball motion sensor. Every time the ball is kicked, headed, or deflected, the sensor measures its movement hundreds of times every second. It can detect the instant the ball is struck and wirelessly transmits the information using ultra-wideband technology. So why does that matter? Because football's most controversial decision depends on timing measured in milliseconds. Which brings us to the next chapter, offside. So how AI catches offside? Offside used to be one of football's most controversial calls. Assistant referee had to make split-second decision. That came VAR. But now AI does much of the heavy lifting. Around the stadium, 12 dedicated tracking cameras constantly monitor every player. Not just where they are, but 29 different body points, including their head, shoulders, knees, hips, and feet. At the exact moment the ball sensor detects a pass, the system synchronizes the data with every player positions within seconds. Officials receive a detailed 3D reconstruction showing whether the attacking player was offside. The referee still makes the final decision, but instead of manually drawing lines, the technology does most of the measuring. And here's something many fans don't realize. That animated offside replay you see on TV, it's automatically generated from the same tracking data used by the officials. No artist, no manual animation, just data turned into visuals. Now, to the next chapter, the referee doesn't even have to look. Here's another incredible piece of technology. It's called goal line technology. Unlike the offside system, this is completely separate. A network of high-speed cameras constantly track the ball near the goal. If the entire ball crosses the line, the referee's watch vibrates almost instantly. No waiting, no debating, no guessing. Just a silent vibration telling referee it's a goal. And it all happens in a second. Now on to the next one, how AI tracks every player. Have you ever heard commentators say, that player has covered 11 kilometers? Or, today his top speed was 35 kilometers per hour. That's not an estimate. Throughout the match, optical tracking system monitors every player's movement. They measure distance covered, sprint speed, acceleration, positioning, and movement patterns. Coaches use this information to manage fatigue, plan substitutions, analyze tactics, and improve future training sessions. Modern football isn't just played on the pitch. It's analyzed by data long after the final whistle. Now on to the next one. Have you ever wondered why the World Cup matches look so cinematic? It's because they are. A single match can use dozens of cameras. Spider cams flying above the pitch, ultra-slow moving cameras, super telephoto lenses, high-speed cameras capable of capturing hundreds or even thousands of frames per second. That's why you can watch the exact moment the ball bends into the top corner, or see blades of grass flying through the air after a tackle. Every replay is designed to bring you closer to the action ever before. And now comes the final part. The stadium is smarter than you think. The technology doesn't stop once the whistles blow. The modern World Cup stadium increasingly use smart ticketing, digital crowd management, real-time monitoring, and AI-assisted system to help improve security and move tens of thousands of fans efficiently. Most spectators never notice these systems, but behind the scene, they help make one of the world's biggest sporting events run smoothly. So the next time you watch a World Cup match, remember, you're not watching 22 players chasing a football. You are watching artificial intelligence, computer vision, high-speed optical tracking, wireless sensors, optic fiber networks, and incredibly sophisticated software, all working together in real time. Technology hasn't replaced football. It has simply become another teammate working quietly in the background. The real question is, has technology made football fairer, or has it taken away its magic? Let me know what you think in the comment. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden technology behind the world's biggest sporting event, make sure to subscribe. because I've got a lot more tech deep dives coming soon. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.